Hi, this is Bailey with DIY on the house, and my husband and I just seeded our backyard for grass, and we were looking for a sprinkler system that is economical and easy to move around. We didn't have the funds to do an in-ground irrigation system, so my husband brilliantly came up with this option. We have 3 of these in our backyard currently. Each one costs under $20 to put together. So to have an irrigation system for our backyard that's well under $100 was a huge plus and a must for us. And they are so simple to put together. My husband showed me the first one, and I was able to put the other 2 together. The cool thing about this is that you can interchange the sprinkler head on top. So if you find that you need a different head, you can quickly put a new one on without having to build an entirely new one. Here's a list of the material that you will need just for one of these. So if you plan to do a few, you can get larger pieces of PVC. And here are the tools you will need as well. These just took minutes to put together, and we waited another 15 minutes or so to let it dry, and we tested it out and it works perfect. So we've had this in our backyard for about 2 weeks now, and it has been great about hitting all the different areas. The cool thing too about these is that if you're missing an area, you can easily move them around, and that is the plus about an above ground sprinkler system. Well, thank you so very much for watching DIY on the house. We'll have our list of materials down in the description below. We appreciate you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Give us a like, a subscribe, and thank you for watching DIY on the house.